Number 4 is Epson EcoTank ET-2850 Wireless Color Printer. In today's fast-paced world of creative entrepreneurship, having the perfect printer for your Etsy business can make all the difference. And when it comes to innovation, efficiency, and cost-saving solutions, the Epson EcoTank ET-2850 Wireless Color All-in-One Cartridge-Free SuperTank Printer reigns supreme. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly replacing those tiny, expensive ink cartridges. This printer offers stress-free and worry-free printing with its high-capacity ink tanks and exclusive EcoFit ink bottles. You'll be amazed at the dramatic savings of up to 90% on replacement ink, allowing you to print up to 7,500 black or 6,000 pages in color. Not only does this printer save you money, but it also saves the environment. Using the EcoTank system will reduce the amount of cartridge waste that ends up in landfills. It's a win-win for your business and the planet. But it's not just about cost and sustainability. The Epson EcoTank ET-2850 delivers impressive print quality with its unique Micro Piezo Heat-Free Technology and pigment black ink. Get the Epson EcoTank ET-2850 today by clicking on the link provided in the description box and enjoy hassle-free printing for years to come.